How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Lunar Trading. In this video, I'll be going over my levels and plan for SPY next week. So let's jump right into it. SPY was up 1.44% on Friday. Price pretty much just consolidated throughout the day, but we had saw some pretty large moves within that consolidation, allowing it to be a perfect day for trading, in my opinion. I only was able to take one trade today since I was busy for the rest of the day, but I alerted 376 calls and those hit 23%, or at least that's where I locked in profit. And then about 11:18, I had mentioned that I was seeing a bullish setup, so I alerted that about right in here. So if you had grabbed any calls, and you would have profited nice off this move. But levels to be watching for next week is first the support zone from 370.5 to 369, and the second zone from 357 to 355. And for resistance, keep an eye on this zone from 377 to 379.5, and then this zone up here from 387.5 to 390.5, and as well as this previous uptrend, keep an eye on it as an area of resistance now that price is broken underneath it. Now my plan going into next week is I'm going to watch to see if price is struggling to break through this first resistance zone. If I'm seeing some weakness, then I'm going to look to grab some puts because price could pull back to our first support zone. If it does, I'll be looking to grab some calls in there just because we've been seeing some pretty solid bounces from that zone, so we could see it happen again. And if price does want to continue to rally higher, pushing us into this second resistance zone and maybe even close to our previous uptrend, then I'll be looking to grab some puts up in here as well and probably position a little bit heavier, as we could see a pretty good rejection from that point. I wouldn't be surprised if the market just chops back and forth, kind of consolidates for a little bit longer before we get a bigger move. This might happen until we get our next CPI report, and then we could see the market maybe go and create new lows. But we'll just kind of have to see how things play out. I'll alert any trade I take in the Discord. Link down below if you guys want to join it. It's free, and there's a lot of other great traders in here that you can chat with and network. And also subscribe to the channel if you like these short and sweet technical videos. I try to upload daily, but take care, everybody.